Welcome, my people. This is Print Tech Hub, and this is how to change hard disks in most of the printers E series. There's 6 screws at the back holding this board, this area. So when you lose these screws gradually, one after the other, after you lose them, then you pull the plastic upwards, then the thing will come out. Then you can now see the hard disk. This is hard disk, where the hard disk is located. So then there are 4 screws holding the hard disk to the printer board. This is the printer board area, so you have to be very careful while unplugging this wire. So you unplug these wires gently. When you unplug those 2 wires, that's the wire that connects the hard disk to the printer board. Then you lose these screws. There's one up there. That's one. You lose second one, 2. After losing that one, then there's another 2 at the back there. Then you lose the 2 of them at the back. After losing these screws, the hard disk will just come out on its own. You don't have to stress it at all. As you can see, it's out already on its own. As you can see, it's out on its own. Then there's another 4 screws holding the hard disk to this casing. This is the casing of the hard disk. So what we do, you lose the 4 screws. As you can see, as I'm losing it now. Don't mind my voice, I beg. You lose the 4 of them gently. We only need task driver for this. You don't need any other thing. This is how the hard disk comes out. Simple. This SSD. Then you now replace it with the new one you want to use. Then if you watch, there are 4 tiny metals that serves as washer. You know what washer does now? So those 4 tiny metals, they serve as washer for the hard disk. So don't allow them to fall off. Like this one fell off now. You have to pick it, tease it. You have to pick it and place it back carefully, gently in the new hard disk. Then you place back the the skeleton where the hard disk came out from. Then you screw it back, as you can see as I'm doing there. It's well demonstrated. So we sell Konica Minolta printers, direct Belgium, brand new with 0 counter, and we also offer printing service. Engineering services. Don't mind me. We also offer engineering services, and we have office in Lagos and Abuja. But our head office is in Lagos, and our branch office is in Abuja. And we also have engineers in most states. At least now we have engineers in like 8 states. Standby engineers, qualified, good quality engineers that can give you good solutions to your printing problem in Nigeria. So wherever you encounter any issue concerning Konica Minolta bizhub, just let us know. And if you want to buy any printing equipment, no matter any printing equipment, just send us your specification. Even laptops, any printing equipment you want to buy, send us there and we'll cover you on that. So now this is where I'm placing it back. I'm placing it back in the machine. We'll place it back. You screw these screws 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 at the back, 2 at the front. And you have to be careful with this because you know you are working with the printer board. It's not just normal part of the pressing. This is the main engine. That's like the motherboard of laptop. This is how printer board is. If it spoils, the machine cannot work. You understand? So you have to be careful with it. You screw them gently with 4 screws. Like in this one, there's only 3 screws that's holding this one, but normally you have to 4 screws. Then you plug back the wires 1, 2 gently. When you plug it in, you format the hard disk from the machine. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to format the video. No, I have a video on my YouTube where I'll show you how to format the hard disk.